Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to open a window in split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, let's open at least two windows. For example, web browser and Google Mail. Then go into Recent Apps view and tap on the Windows icon. Then select Open in Split Screen View. Then select the other app that you want to open with it. And now you can use both of them at once and also change the size of each window by moving the three dots between them. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.